Now with our controller, our controller is open. We can see the here. Here is operate. We must change the level. We use the system loading this controller. We now choose create our logo. Then choose the system. Then here is password is 1 2 3 4. After do it, then press OK. Here is level, you can see the here. Click again. Here is level 4. You can see the here, right? We just contact the power and then click the alarm. Then now you can see the here. We test the the 0 must reset again. How to set the U? The X, Y, Z, C. The exercise, the 0 not reset again. Only set the U. How to set the U? We choose click our logo again. And no. Yes. Here we choose our logo and choose the calibrate. Then here is J1, J2, J3. J1 is X. J2 is Y. J3 is Z. And J6 is C. And the U is this one. We must create the U. Choose the U. Then you can see the here. Have this value, right? We must set as calibrate and play. Step 1, choose exercise. Then choose set 2. Yes, please, yes. You can see the here. The U exercise here is set as the 0 point. After do it, we must press stop. Then open it. Then choose this button here on the middle have a lot along. We choose the teach. You can see the here. The U exercise, the 0 point is finished. Okay. X J1 to J6 not set, only set as a U. Okay. Because the X J1 to J6, the 0 point is set ourselves. If you want to change it, you can according to my video how to set the both the 0 point. Okay. Now choose the program. Right.